mile of road can take you anywhere. A mile of runway can take you across the world. It's gonna get good now.
Nothing is as loud as we play.
That's what you think.
Rock. We got 500 decibels. Not even close to what this is. We're about 90 miles an hour. Not quite there. There's some nice breakers. Surfed up, dude. Where's Catalina?
It's over there. You won't be able to see it.
So we go right or left?
We're gonna turn left.
Catalina. You gonna swim? Huh? Huh? You gonna swim?
Yeah.
Whoa. I've never seen this view before. What's that channel right there? That water.
The marina.
That's the marina? No way. That's the marina.
Yeah. And that connects the LA River right next to it.
Oh. So that's a break water.
Yep.
Was that the Santa Monica Airport right there? Right there?
Yeah. It is? Hey, look. Someone just took off behind us.
Let's see. Where?
What is
Oh, I
that?
got a headache.
That's ANA. We got a long flight to Tokyo.
Is this a connecting flight?
Yeah, but we get off in Vegas.
Where's it going? Nevada?
I don't